Wagwan family, welcome back to another reaction video at the 876 Zone TV. It's me, of course, Anisha, and the video that I'll be doing a reaction today is another throwback video from, you see it in the description already, from Elephant Man, Willie Bunks. So this was a suggestion from one of my subscribers, Jim Bully, or Jim_Bully. Big up yourself, my youth, for sending in that suggestion. So I'm gonna do the reaction video for you people. So without further ado, guys, let's do this. Play.
Dance will never die. Out and bad, so badly bad, it a get intensified. I see the kids them in the street, all the big man them a practice the tweets. All do a bubble pass and crown, we still a make them do him dance in the past. Everybody jump to the bombs, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear to the
pause. Yo, una ready for exercise again? Una ready for do some cardio again? Play.
Willie Bunks, to the bombs, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear the bubble bombs. To the bombs, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear to the Willie Bunks. To the bombs, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear to the Willie Bunks. Alright, swing your hand them, go on like a man. Then the double the out and back.
Alright, remember the first Elephant Monday? Remember the Pandy River? Memories, don't memories. Play.
Look left, look right, swing your hand like a ball. Then the double the out and back. Do the dip like the dancing god. Then the double the out and back. Walk with it, make up your face like you get robbed. Then the double the out and back. Alright, stop. Make a pose, take a sip, shake your foot, start to the dip, walking it. Everybody 50 out and dip, walking it. Everybody fear do the walking it, walking it. Everybody fear do the dip, walking it.
Yo. I always said that, Play
so where them a say, dance will never die. Out and bad, so badly bad, it a get intensified. I see the kids them in the street, all the big man them a practice the tweets. All do a bubble pass and crown, we still a make them do him dance in the past. Everybody jump to the bombs, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear to the Willie Bunks. To the bombs.
When me say dance mash up, man, when this up to a dance mash up, man. Everybody exercise, Play.
Bunks, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear the bubble bunks. To the bunks, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear to the Willie Bunks. To the bunks, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear to the Willie Bunks. Willie Bunks lock the street. You know one glasses see. Done the war. Make we dance, Batman and police. All the shatter them a do the Willie Bunks out the east. Warwick in a party and a hold the peace. Maria get him groove and round in the street. Say him a fi come a weddy him off the feet. Near up, you know sister.
Weddy Wednesdays. Who remember those days? Play tune.
I do it. Tell him that's a Willie Bunks, that a gilly breeze. We bowl and bend like giraffe and I do it uptown, downtown. Now Willie to the beat. And the printer them a Willie Bunks one get released. This one is a masterpiece. Cheers. So where them a say, dance will never die.
Big man thing. You know say then dance look like aerobics. Then dance moves they look like you do a gym, Me I tell you the truth, cause when you go dance and you when them play Elephant Man, all 1, 2, 3 back and when you done tired, Yo, play.
Out and bad, so badly bad, it a get intensified. I see the kids them in the street, all the big man them a practice the tweets. All do a bubble pass and crown, we still a make them do him dance in the past.
Pause, I want to go on here, so Scarface come a dance. Let me see what I go on here, play. Scarface come a dance. Yo, the one come with some salsa flavor. Yo, play.
Everybody jump to the bombs, Willie Bunks.
That man here look familiar, That man here look like Hindu, him one dance instructor, if me not mistaken. But me see that man your face already on TV somewhere. Play a tune. I think he specializes in a Latin dance or something like that. Play.
Everybody
Pause, sorry. You have moves. Old man got moves. Play a tune.
Willie Bunks, to the bombs, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear the bubble bunks. To the bombs, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear to the Willie Bunks. To the bombs, Willie Bunks. Everybody fear to the Willie Bunks. Alright, swing your hand them, go on like a man. Then the double the out and back. Look left, look right, swing your hand like a ball. Then the double the out and back. To the the dip like the dancing god. Then you double the out and back. Walk with it, make up your face like you get robbed. Then you double the out and back. Alright, stop. Make a pose, take a sip, shake your foot, start to the dip, walk it. Everybody 50 out and dip, walk it. Everybody feel do the walk it, walk it.
Boy, may I tell you, it hard for me to pause the song, the video, and for comment on the video when me just want to watch the video and just enjoy myself. You get what I mean? Play it.
Everybody feel do both the dip, walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it. So where them I say, dance will never die. Out and bad, so badly bad, it a get intensified. I see the kids them in the street, all the big man them a practice the tweets. All do a vocal pass and ground, we still a make them know him dancing the bars. Everybody just do the bongs, Willie bongs. Everybody feel do the Willie bongs. Do the bongs, Willie bongs. Everybody feel do vocal bongs. Do the bongs, Willie bongs. Everybody feel do the Willie bongs. Do the bongs, Willie bongs. Everybody feel do the Willie bongs.
Oi. Good vibes, good vibes. So there you have it, guys. Willie Bunks Fat Man. Big up to Jim_Bully or Jim Bully for that suggestion. Nostalgia much. Alright. So if you like it, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and put more suggestions down in the comment below. And as usual, I'll see you on the next video, I guess. And once again, it's me, Anisha, and I'm out.